When it comes to entry-level UV flatbed printers, Roland just set the bar a little higher. Hi, I'm Mike Goodwin and welcome to the Graphic Insights channel. Earlier this year, Roland announced the addition of the VersaObjects COI series flatbed printers to their lineup. At the time of the announcement, see the FESPA 2024 video above, they were not offered in the US market, but that all changed about a month ago as they made their way to North America, and the VersaObjects COI series may have just taken the top spot for entry-level UV flatbed printers under $75,000. Customers can choose from two available models, the 30-inch CO300i F2 and the 64-inch CO640i F3. The new COI series UV flatbeds provide a versatile solution to meet the increasing demand for individualized, rapid on-demand printing. The COI series flatbeds direct print colorful, eye-catching graphics onto virtually any type of material, including plastic, wood, canvas, vinyl, paper, and more. An onboard primer ink optimizes adhesion on materials that were previously difficult to print on, such as glass and metal, making it easy to personalize consumer products, interior decor, signs and graphics, packaging, and other short-run production items. For 3D objects, the COI has two intuitive distance modes. This makes it possible to print onto convex, concave, or irregular surfaces while maintaining excellent quality and sharpness. The COI flatbeds are true gantry-style flatbeds, meaning the bed stays stationary while the printheads and rail move, and the vacuum table holds objects and substrates in place when printing. The 30-inch CO300i has a max print area of 29 by 59, while the 640i has a print area of 63 by 98 inches. Both printers can print on objects up to 9.5 inches high and material weights up to 220 pounds. No other flatbed in this class can print on objects that thick and handle weight over 200 pounds. The Eco EUV5 GreenGuard certified ink is offered in CMYK, red, orange, white, gloss, and primer with up to 7 different ink configurations, and it's delivered through the printheads at a max print resolution of 1400 dpi. Precision ink firing ensures stunning image quality and high color saturation, while powerful LED lamps cure the UV ink instantly, enabling users to accurately reproduce the finest details from small text to elaborately textured patterns and gradations. The gloss ink allows users to incorporate stunning finishing effects, including unique textures and simulated embossing, into their prints. High opacity white ink is often used as a base coat when printing on transparent film or dark objects, while orange and red widen the color gamut for precise brand color reproduction and rich, vivid color expression. True rich color combined with the orange and red ink options expand the color gamut for increased creativity opportunities. Roland is the only manufacturer that offers red and orange ink in their UV lineup. All VersaObjects COI printers come with VersaWorks 6 RIP software, Roland DG's powerful intuitive RIP, which processes PDF, EPS, PostScript files at high speeds and auto-generates white, gloss, and primer layers. The COI series features low-temperature UV LED fully adjustable lamps. This allows gloss, primer, and white to be used as an adhesive layer before a secondary process to apply glitter or foil and then cured with UV to seal it. The COI series printers come with an anti-static bar for easier media loading and improved printing accuracy. This feature is typically an upcharge on many other competing printers. The new touch control panel of the COI series is integrated into the table to allow you to work more efficiently in less space. The more efficient design removes the conjoining table trip hazard, reducing the possibility of damaging the device and increasing safety. With the new COI series printers, you can print large quantities of smaller items and improve your productivity with a fast and efficient direct-to-object printing solution. The COI series lets you print unique details on several items in a single print run. Plus, with VersaWorks 6, features like variable data printing, you can individually personalize each item quickly with minimal setup. The COI printers offer shorter production times, reduced cost, and lower environmental impact while expanding product decoration possibilities, enabling users to maximize their creative options and grow their businesses. The overall dimensions of the CO300i are 58 by 76 by 94, and it weighs in at 1,074 pounds and has a list price of $49,995. The COI 640 has dimensions of 58 by 111 by 134, and that weighs in at 1,903 pounds and has a list price of $74,995. Both printers will require a 230-volt two-phase outlet for power. Files are sent to the printers via Gigabit Ethernet port, and both printers come with Roland's 2-year trouble-free warranty. In summary, Roland has delivered a UV printer series that offers features like no other. From the red-orange inks that offer more colors to the ability to print on substrates and objects up to 9 inches thick and weights at over 200 pounds to oversized beds to accommodate more materials, all for a price less than $75,000. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing. Please give it a like. It really helps out the channel. Give it a share if you know of anyone that's looking for a flatbed in the near future. Thanks. I'll catch you in the next one.